Okay, today we're going to be showing you how to gain access to the internal components of the RA-35 series range hood. And before doing so, you actually want to make sure that the power has been cut off to the unit, and also that if the heat lamps are installed, go ahead and get those out of the way, as we've done already. And as you can see, we've also gone already and removed the filters. If you don't know how to do that, go ahead and watch our other videos that which state how to remove the stainless steel baffle filters. And we'll go ahead and continue with that. Loosening these two brackets that are holding everything in place. So you got one and you got two. So there's two brackets holding in place. We actually have an external light source so that we can actually show you how the orientation of each crossbar goes. As you can see on the left side, this one's actually on the top notch, and it goes from the front towards the back, as stated right here. See how it's top notch, you got their bottom notch. This one goes from the outside in on the top notch. When you go to the right side, it's the opposite. So it's actually going to be on the bottom notch. As you can see, there's top and bottom. This one's going to be the bottom notch, and it's going to go from the back side towards the front on the bottom notch. So make sure that you take note of that. If not, you can actually go ahead and then take a picture of each side, so you know which way it's gonna be installed back when you go and replace everything. So let's go ahead and get in all these 4 screws. So it's actually one here and then one at the top. Same thing here, one here and then one at the top. So total 4 screws. We're gonna get those loose and get these crossbars moved out of the way. Okay, now that we removed both support bars on each side, we're actually going to go ahead and gain access to this bottom panel here, and we're going to do so by removing these bottom 6 screws. As you can see, they're right here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's go to get all these 6 screws taken out, and from there we're actually going to go ahead and slide this towards the back and then bring it down. Okay, now that we have all 6 screws removed from this bottom panel, what we're going to go ahead and simply do is make sure that you have a nice handle on this bottom panel, and we're going to go ahead and slide it towards the back. As you can see here, we're lifting it up, bringing this front part down, and it's simply going to sit in place right there. And as you can see, now we have access to the LED light fixtures, along with the capacitor, the IC board, and the LED driver, which is all back here. And we also have access to the control switch, which is sitting up inside right here.